Welcome back to Winegar Racing. Today we'll be working on this Audi A5 again. Last time we got it running, I did the timing chain kit. But today I need to do something about this front end. The driver's side headlight was broken, as you can see. Just destroyed. I have the new lens on that headlight glued on. Just letting that sit for a bit. Now we need to do this side so it matches, and then we can reinstall the whole front end. And I have some mods that I'm going to do to this today. I have the turbo muffler delete and the GFB diverter valve kit. It just replaces the internals of the diverter valve, make them stronger. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, now that I have this side off and I have all the front end pieces here, just waiting to get back on the car, I can now remove this lens. This process is really barbaric. Basically, heat up all around here. Gotta loosen up the glue that's holding this lens onto the housing. And then you gotta pry on it, and eventually this thing will come off and look brand new like that. Let's get to it. Alright, now that the two halves are separated, now I can clean all inside the channel right here so I can put the new lens on. As you can tell by this, I wasn't joking when I said it was barbaric, because your plastic does get bent a little bit, but it all can be bent back once you apply heat while applying the new lens on top of here. So I'm going to clean this up and get all this ready for the new lens. Alright, how I'm going to clean this is I'm going to start with a razor blade, get as much big stuff out of here, and then I'm going to use a wire brush and get all the fine little stuff out, and then we can apply the glue to the new lens and then stick it on. Alright, now that I have this mostly cleaned up, it's time to put glue on the new lens and put this all back together. Damn microfibers and wanting to stick together. Alright. As far as the glue, you use this butyl, I don't know. Anyways, it's this kind of stuff, and you apply it along the edge, and then you can squish it back on there, heat it up, and be better if I apply this stuff with clean hands, you know. Anyways, like I said, you just apply that stuff along the edges here. Alright guys, so the camera overheated again. I went ahead and finished these up. They're just setting right now. Once these get all set and glued together, then I can put them in. But for now, I'm going to install the diverter valve plus kit and this turbo muffler delete. I already got the car jacked up, so I can get underneath it and put those items on. Now, as far as the goodies I got for this, they're right underneath here. Without the front end, it's a lot easier to see. But right here is the turbo muffler. I'm going to be unbolting this and replacing it with the new one. And the diverter valve is up here. Yeah, right there. Right here. That's the diverter valve. So I'm going to be taking that out and taking it apart and putting the new pieces inside of it. Alright, I have the original turbo muffler out and the diverter valve. As you can tell, this thing, it necks down inside. It has the little muffler bits right here. This is just straight through, doesn't neck down at all. So that's going to be a good little upgrade. Well, let's get this diverter valve apart and install new internals. Alright, as far as this goes, let's see what we got here. So it basically replaces all this bit here. I'll show you all that here in a minute. This little sticker. I have done one of these before, but it's been a minute since I've done it. So I'm going to follow the instructions. Basically pull all that out. These things are known to fail, so that's why I'm upgrading all of this. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done one of these. Pull this back off because I forgot the spring. Okay. So spring goes in there. This plunger goes like that. And now this goes on. Alright. And then this spring and this plunger. And that is it for that install. Like I said earlier, these are a lot stronger than this factory stuff. Plastic and rubber seals there. Let's go put this in the car and put the front end back on. Alrighty, so I got the new turbo muffler delete in and the diverter valve, which you can see up there, right there, has a nice little DV plus on it. Now that that project is done, let's get this front end on. So those headlights should be good. The headlights should be good for now. But along with those headlights, I got new fog light lenses as well. So I need to put those on the front bumper. And then we can put everything back on the car. Alright, now that I have the front bumper on the table so I can get to these fog lights. Pretty simple to replace. You gotta take out this grill, and then there's two torque spits. They pop right out. Got brand new ones right here. These headlights though, I'm not a professional at doing what I did here. It was actually my first time, but damn, they do look good, especially compared to the old crusty ones that came off of here. Just like that, fog light is out. Compared to the new one, that is going to be so much better. I'm going to go ahead, clean all this up, and do the other side as well. This is the main reason why I'm replacing them too, is this one's all broken. And yeah, I'll get back to you when all this is done. Alright guys, as you can tell, I'm losing, actually, I've lost all daylight. I'm going to finish up the car and then I'll show you the finished result in the morning. Alright guys, so like I said, I would finish up the front end installation last night since I lost all the daylight, so I couldn't record. It looks pretty good. There's some feminine issues here and there, but I mean, it is what it is. But that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.